Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Maurya and I am a student of B Pharma first year. My topic is order and molecularity of a reaction. Order of a reaction, the sum of powers of a concentration of the reactant in the rate law expression is called the order of reaction. In the rate equation, rate is equal to concentration A की power x, concentration B की power y. X and Y indicate how sensitive the rate is to the change in concentration of A and B. Some of these exponents, that is X plus Y, in the overall orders of a reaction, whereas X and Y represent the order with respect to the reactants A and B respectively. Order of a reaction can be 0, 1, 2, 3, and even a fraction. A zero order reaction means that the rate of reaction is independent of the concentration of reactant. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये एग्जाम्पल दिया है इन लोगों ने रेट निकालने के लिए। आप कोई भी दो रिएक्टेंट लेके एक प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं। A valence chemical equations never give us a true picture of how a reaction take place, since rarely a reaction get complete in one step. The reactions taking place in one step are called elementary reactions. When a sequence of elementary reactions give us the product, the reaction are called complex reaction. Unit of rate constant. Zero order reactions unit of rate constant is mole liter inverse second inverse, and first order reactions unit of rate constant is second inverse. Molecularity of a reaction. Another property of a reaction called molecularity helps in understanding its mechanism. The number of reacting species, atoms, ions, and molecules taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. Integrated rate equation. We have already noted that the concentration depends of rate is called differential rate equation. It is not always conven- convenient to determine the instantaneous rate as it measured by determinations of slope of the tangent at point T in concentration based time plot. This makes it difficult to determine the rate law and hence to order of the reaction. In order to avoid this difficulty, we can integrate the differential rate equation to give a relation between directly measured experimental data, that is concentration at different time and rate constant. Zero order reaction. Zero order reaction mean that the rate of a reaction is proportional to zero power of the concentration of reactant. First order reaction. In this class of reaction, the rate of the reaction is proportional to the first power of the concentration of the reactant. R. Half-life of a reaction. The half-life of a reaction is the time in which the concentration of a reactant is reduced to one half of its initial concentration. It is represented by T half. Pseudo first order reaction. The order of a reaction is sometimes altered by conditions. Consider a chemical reaction between two substances when one reactant is present in large excess during the hydrolysis of 0.01 mole of ethyl acetate with 10 mole of water. Amounts of the various constituent at the beginning T is equal to 0 and completion T of the reactions are given as under. Thank you very much.